If you own a 2022 and 2023 Toyota Tundra or Lexus LX100, then you are in lucky mode. According to media report, the automaker is now committing to potentially replace more than 100k 40 units of 35 twin turbo 3.4 V6 engine, even if the engine in your rig has yet to fail. The root of the problem starts from a specific V35 engine from a specific assembly plan, a plan to overloading the pressure on the crankshaft main bearing due to the rotation of crankshaft within the engine assembly while running. Toyota earlier claimed that they were looking for a proper fix, but there is no other fix. Toyota is simply replacing that batch of V35A engines. Owner of this truck will be notified of the available remedy by July 29, 2024.